Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I created this wreath with just one roll of mesh. I got this mesh from Amazon and I will post the link in the description. I'm always looking for different ideas and different ways to create wreaths since I want one for every season and every occasion. So I just decided to experiment a little bit with this wreath, but I love how it turned out. And here is the black and gold one I did with the same method. So let's get started. First thing I did was cut the entire roll into 15-inch pieces. Next, I took one of my 15-inch pieces and cut it in half, creating two pieces that are about 5 inches wide. I will admit that this method does involve a little bit of fraying. Now I'm going to take one of those pieces and starting at one end, I'm going to roll the edge about 3 times. Then use a clip to hold it in place. Then I'm flipping it around and rolling the other edge about 3 times. Now I'm going to start pinching the mesh together from one side to the other. Then zip tie to secure the mesh in place. I'm going to do another piece and roll one side 3 times. Use a clip to hold the curl in place, then do the same to the opposite side. I'm using both hands to help pinch the mesh together. I'm taking my 14-inch frame and starting on the second outer ring, I'm going to tie a pipe cleaner to the ring and attach my first piece. Don't attach it directly on the bar like I did because I ended up moving it off of there. Here's how I attach the first layer of mesh. 3 pieces in each section, a total of 18 pieces on that ring. I'm placing each piece with the roll facing down, but I think it would look fine if you decided to have the rolls facing upwards. And each piece I attach is going to be overlapping the previous piece, so there are no gaps. For the second layer, I'm working on that third ring with 2 pieces in each section. I'm taking my mesh and I'm attaching it in between each piece of mesh in that first layer. Now I'm taking my 8-inch frame and attaching it with zip ties to the 14-inch frame. I'm going to work on the center ring of this frame. In total, I attached 4 pieces in each section, and I'm going to position the pieces in between each piece from that second layer of mesh. Now I'm just hot gluing pipe cleaners to the back of my sign, and once that dries, I'm going to attach it to the center of the wreath. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more. Thank you so much for watching.